Hello, tech enthusiasts. Join us on Smart Tech as we explore the incredible capabilities of heavy equipment machines and the latest advancements in the field.
The Chemrock EK140 chain cutter is the first of its kind on the market. It was developed for use on excavators from 1.5 to 70 tons. By the way, this chain cutter significantly reduces the wear of the excavator's slewing mechanism. In addition, it saves 40% energy compared to a conventional rotary cutter without a center chain, with the same productivity. Combining the 400-ton Komatsu PC4000 excavator with the world's largest heavy-duty shears, this machine has become a true giant. Renowned for its robust construction, superior quality, and efficient mechanisms, it's used in large-scale decommissioning projects of heavy structures, such as former power plants, industrial facilities, and even various recycling plants. No words needed here. The main thing is to watch the screen carefully, because in front of you is officially the fastest tractor in the world. JCP Fast Track reaches a top speed of 247.47 kilometers per hour, with an average speed of about 217.569 kilometers per hour. This tractor was specifically designed to achieve a world record. The VDO Thyssen wheel excavator is the very equipment capable of efficiently chewing through almost any surface. It's truly a rugged machine, designed for giants. VDO Thyssen can excel even in open-pit mining operations, but it does have one drawback. Maneuvering around obstacles can be challenging for such a large machine. However, this is a solvable problem. One of the largest chain trenchers in the world is in front of you, and it's the famous Next Trencher. It's designed for laying large diameter pipes and digging deep trenches. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. As for the width of the trench, which can be laid by this machine, it ranges from 12 to 150 centimeters, and its depth can be up to 6 meters. Let's discuss the new CID attachment installed on the RT120 mini loader. Let's face it, this rotary cutter is a truly unique attachment that simply must be in your collection. The cutter is designed for trimming unwanted tree branches on roadsides and behind certain fences. The technique is also great for clearing pond banks and paving trails. Do you need to work efficiently on an open-cut mining operation or prepare a construction site for further work? Or maybe you need to remove an old road surface or reclaim land. We would like to point out that the Terrain Leveler ground excavation machine is ideally suited for this job. This technological monster will certainly break through almost any surface and will really make your work easier. Here it is, the latest innovation. Introducing the highly efficient DMW 220 dual-motor rotary cutter for sewer construction from Chemrock, with a 1,000mm cutting wheel and submerging capability. This equipment can be used in medium hard rock formations and even reinforced concrete. The 282 horsepower crawler harvester truly combines a shortened upper body and narrow folding boom geometry. The result is high productivity and minimal cost per ton of logs processed. And what's more, thanks to the integrated harvester head, this model offers unrivaled uptime, especially when in contact with large logs. Do you want to weed or clean the edges of green spaces, sidewalks, or urban floors? Then this powerful and highly efficient brush adapted to the mower arm is just for you. From the advantages of the machine, I would single out the new variator of forward-reverse tilt, speed, and orientation of the working body on the mower. Other pluses include the powerful hydraulic motor with high torque and the motion control unit, which is now located in the operator's cab. And this is the new generation fixed hammerstone crusher model. The robust and powerful machine incorporates a large diameter rotor with evenly distributed fixed 32 hammers. Thanks to these hammers, The stone crusher can crush stones up to 500 millimeters, and its hydraulic counterblade adjustment allows determining the required level of stone crushing. You see the modern Moorbark 3200. In fact, it's a relatively compact horizontal chipper designed for processing wood and green waste, as well as pre-crushing. This model is available as tracked for greater mobility or electrically powered and can be equipped with Moorbark's most popular features. You are looking at a Degelman Trailed Stone Harvester, a company that brings real know-how to the world. Maximum productivity is achieved thanks to the special design of the 168-centimeter diameter drum, which consists of 3 voluminous segments and an efficient 183-centimeter wide grate. And the new low-pressure tires help to reduce soil compaction, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The Degelman single roller has been specially developed for specialty crop producers who find standard machines of this design too large for their farming operations. The LRX-51 is therefore the ideal solution. This machine is hydraulically foldable so that it can be easily converted into a narrow transport machine. The Degelman Strawmaster Pro Series is a revolutionary machine designed for both straw and light tillage. With 30-inch tines arranged in 4 rows, this machine outperforms any competitor. The technique easily chops straw, destroys weeds, rakes flax straw, applies seed and chemicals, or even performs light tillage. The plow machine you see on your screens has a really high performance. It is reliable and easy to use. There's no doubt about that. At the same time, you can also be sure of unrivaled plowing quality. After all, you can be sure that this is also an important factor. Dipper Fox is a professional stump grinder that will please any user of heavy equipment. The machine drills perfectly through stumps and their roots, driving all the remains deep into the ground. Therefore, there is no more need for additional clearing of the logging site. And what's more, you no longer need to collect, transport, and dispose of the remains. Such a time and resource saver. The new RoboCut is based on a proven concept, innovation, and the most advanced technology to lead the market. The machine is rewarded with a 56 horsepower diesel engine, lower center of gravity, high slope capacity, and double safety arches. RoboCut provides maximum stability on any terrain thanks to its ideal 50-50 weight distribution. This is an Ecotech remote-controlled machine with an automatic leveling motor. It's designed for efficient grass cutting in the most extreme conditions. It is a small but powerful assistant that can reach maximum speed even on steep slopes. You will definitely enjoy its work. This is a so-called green climber, a machine designed for forestry and dense vegetation. The mower is enclosed in a frame that protects its hydraulics and components from falling branches and debris. The 75 horsepower diesel engine on this machine is the largest in its class and does not require regeneration or DEF treatment to meet emission standards. The Raptor 800 is a modern self-propelled mulcher on a tracked chassis, which is the most powerful and productive machine on the market. It was designed to solve extremely complex tasks effectively, which must be accomplished in the shortest time possible. The purchase of such a machine will be an ideal solution if you need to clear cuts for the construction of gas and oil pipelines, highways, railroads, and power lines. The GMR Hedge Tractor-Mounted Mulcher is a great option for both the novice and the professional. The low design and hydraulic offset system allow you to drive the shredder under the trees if necessary, without snagging branches with the tractor cab. And what is most important, no surprises on the way will stop the work of the machine, because the special hammer design can shred even the smallest tree that appeared on the road. You're looking at the industry's best hydraulically operated self-propelled crusher with a versatile rubber track undercarriage. And by the way, it's through the use of an expandable track system that the manufacturer was able to achieve high cross-country capability, minimizing ground pressure and agitation. at the same time providing a stable sanding platform and exceptional traction. All in all, a beast of a machine. Bodenbau has the new Bauer CSM machine type RG21, which is equipped with the latest technology in terms of quiet operation and minimal emissions. In addition, the CSM system is fully resistant to vibrations and subsidence. Consequently, construction risks and inconvenience are minimized as far as possible. On construction sites where bridges are built, the work is always active. For successful results, special purpose machines are used to create the foundations for the piers, install the shunts, and fix the excavation. Here, for example, foundation works are carried out with the help of a large LB drilling rig. And for creating sheet piles, the LRB Model 125 XL is used. And believe me, there's a lot to see. UNAC Rail is a Model 22 TRR railroad excavator with tons of benefits. Don't believe me? Then look. The machine is capable of lifting heavy loads up to 6 tons, has 2 motorized rail axles for hydrostatic movement and braking, and is equipped with a special boom safety system designed to limit movement when working under live wires. Great qualities, you'll agree. The Wood Terminator tractor chipper that comes with the new John Deere tractor is a dynamic and flexible business. This is the brainchild of a brand that offers cost-effective solutions for farmers and foresters. The one-piece planetary gears and drives of their machinery are powered by oil engines and a closed-loop hydraulic unit. It's thanks to this approach that all the machine's mechanisms work powerfully and at the same time very smoothly. The manufacturer of this unique floating all-terrain vehicle decided to test its brainchild for durability. And what can I tell you? The 12-ton Trom machine passed all the tests with flying colors because it can work perfectly even in conditions of complete impassability. The carpet bog was easily overcome thanks to the use of heavy-duty, low-pressure tires. Now let's discuss the Raubaud mounted stump grinder. First, let me note, it's easily adaptable for excavators from 2.5 to 8 tons with or without a quick coupler. The equipment is equipped with a 20mm thick disc and 5, 7, and 9 carbide teeth, which can be repositioned 3 times to increase the service life. And just look at how well the trimmer performs its direct duties. The Dredge King is the largest dredging boat, which is particularly versatile for land clearing and various dredging operations. The 4 hydraulic rods ensure high stability during operation. Thanks to the optimal use of the paddles, this equipment can be loaded independently, so there is no need for an additional crane system. Damcon transplanters are equipped with 2 semicircular bowls and are suitable for attachment to a crane or excavator. The possible diameter of the root ball is between 150 and 300 centimeters, so this technique will perfectly cope with the process of transplanting large trees. In addition, the machine can, of course, be used for clearing root clumps in tree nurseries. Do you need to neatly and tightly trim yew plants up to 180 centimeters high so that all trees end up with the same size and volume? No problem. With a new specialized machine from Damcon. This manufacturer has been able to set the level high when it comes to the efficiency and performance of its machines, so you can be 100% sure of the quality of this machine. This series of KLR crane mounted clumpers can also be mounted on a mini crane, bucket, etc. Most models of this series are equipped with 4 shovels, except for the models 1200 and 1400. They're equipped with 6 shovels. In addition, all types are equipped with an undercutting blade. The working area of the multi-track robotic tractor with high ground clearance allows you to work on row crops, strawberries, blueberries, and fruit plantations, shrubs, conifers, and young trees of alley type. The great advantage of the tractor is the work in several rows, a maximum of 6 in one pass. This saves a huge amount of time and costs for the farmer. The machine is also equipped with a slope compensation system for hilly terrain and GPS. This high tunnel harvester is designed specifically to meet the needs of olive growers and processors. The Oxbow 6420 olive harvester has proven itself in numerous field trials when harvesting, cleaning, and transporting olives in a variety of conditions. The model is equipped with a low-mounted turbocharged John Deere engine with 173 horsepower, which provides high performance and exceptional stability. What do we know about Ditch Witch's new Model 1820? Well, at least that this interesting machine is equipped with a powerful 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, a digging depth of up to 1.2 meters, and an operating weight of about 1 ton. All this is needed for the machine to lay pipes and cables efficiently, even on the most difficult job sites. This is what a modern agbot looks like, pulling a new tramline renovator that moves the soil on each side back into the track without disturbing the soil structure. A significant but very monotonous farming application that the robot now handles. It really is straight, stable, and reliable. Check it out for yourself. Let's mention this HD9 drum crusher installed on the Caterpillar or Cat loader. It's designed for crushing round wood into processed chips. This technique is especially good for processing medium-sized round wood. The chips produced by such crushers are of good quality and can be used both in burning in specialized boilers and for producing various products. For example, MDF or chipboard. You see the latest bale feeder from Tube Line Manufacturing, designed to feed round bales up to 2 meters long and weighing more than a ton. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic loading arm to place the bale on the table, after which a rotating apron chain is triggered. At the same time, the retractable fingers of the drum unravel it. As the bale approaches the core, the table can be tilted to increase the contact between the bale and the drum to ensure full feeding. Do you need to effectively control all kinds of pests, but you have a huge agricultural area and you don't know how to reduce the time required for this process? The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer is perfect for such purposes. And how it works and what you can expect. Just look at this. It's all self-explanatory, without words. Vermeer is expanding its lineup of electric-powered processing equipment and introducing a new drum screen. This equipment will be an ideal choice for working with various types of materials, including compost, topsoil, and woody biomass. So this giant will be a great fit for companies involved in processing and dealing with organic materials. The equipment you can watch forever, the unique amphibious excavator Doosan. Surely its operation and appearance are impressive. By the way, this machine belongs to the category of special developments of the company and was designed to enhance mobility in swamps, marshy areas, and soft ground with floating pontoons. When combined with the previous super long reach kit, this excavator can even reach the bottom of deep water bodies. Do you have hardwood or challenging wood and you're unsure how to split it effectively? The solution is here, with a polylog splitter machine. The AutoSpeed function responds to the required pressure and automatically selects the best forward speed for the wood. Definitely a cool solution. And the adjustable splitting stroke of the machine helps avoid annoying idle strokes, which is also crucial. This video showcases the extensive capabilities of the Timberline Tree Shear rotating tree shears from Sydney Manufacturing. You can clearly see all the gripping angles, including the pruning of standing trees and cutting them at the base using the high-tech machine with a rotating skid steer. Renowned manufacturer Fecon has released a new mulching tractor, the FTX 200 model. It fully complies with the standard, which includes the Fecon Power Management System, providing unparalleled power and performance in the 200 horsepower class. A powerful beast, I must say. Introducing the latest member of the Scania family, Axle, a fully autonomous conceptual truck without a cab. You may wonder why it looks so unconventional. Well, the reason is simple. Various industries are striving to optimize transportation tasks and make them more sustainable, thus creating machines with modular systems. A slightly unconventional video for you, but nonetheless informative. On the screens, you can see an animation of the ETF D4 quarry dump truck racing through an off-road conditions to demonstrate the capabilities of its all-wheel drive system, all-wheel steering control, and world-class suspension system for smooth body control. In short, it's an outstanding piece of machinery. The Coblico demolition machine can handle light work with tall buildings. This equipment comes with a unique 3-component separate front attachment with high reach. The model is also equipped with the exclusive Next attachment system, which simplifies assembly and disassembly for easy setup and dismantling. Just watch the video to the end, and you'll fall in love with this machinery model. Whoever said that this technology is like Lego for adults was absolutely right. However, the engaging assembly of arch locks wouldn't be as exciting without the use of the arch lock system with a zipper fastener. Well, you know what I mean. Now you can confidently accomplish more work with less expenditure. And yes, we're talking about working with a Caterpillar 826K landfill compactor. Specifically designed for landfill operations, this machine can deliver a high-level reliability, productivity, safety, and operator comfort that only a 35-year industry leader can offer. Take a look at the Sandvik DD212. It's a robust, compact, and versatile electric-hydraulic single-boom jumbo for tunneling and mining operations. The manufacturer has made efforts to increase drilling productivity and extend the number of meters tunneled. And an important factor today is that they managed to reduce the overall cost of the machine compared to its counterparts. Admit it, were you waiting for the release of the JCB walk-around? If yes, then I have good news for you. The world's most popular telescopic handler is now available for purchase. Moreover, it features a 360-degree rotating boom and has a lifting capacity of up to 25 meters. Additionally, the handler is user-friendly and offers excellent performance, versatility, and efficiency. The new JCB Pothole Pro is truly a unique 3-in-1 solution, specially designed for efficient, cost-effective, and long-lasting pothole repair and major restoration work. With 3 attachments for cutting and cleaning included in the machine, there's no longer a need to purchase special equipment or additional labor. This significantly saves your time and money, of course. Let's move on to the trencher and carefully examine this toothed predator. In reality, this equipment is quite harmless, even though it offers one of the highest horsepower and the greatest digging depth among all Vermeer trenchers. Just look at how this machine cuts trenches for water, gas, and sewer lines in a new residential complex in Las Vegas. The Diegelmann Land Roller can rightfully be called one of the heaviest and most reliable in its category. It's perfect for cultivating peas, beans, and lentils, and can also create the ideal bed of hay, grass, and silage. The machine features a unique floating hitch system, which provides greater flexibility when working in the field. With these floating hydraulic cylinders, the roller can move freely across uneven terrain without limitations. An excellent solution, I must say. Here's another heavyweight from the Liebherr company that's definitely worth paying attention to. Yes, indeed, this is a powerful mining dragline designed specifically for heavy-duty open-pit mining operations. With an operational weight of 380 tons and a boom length of up to 50 meters. The machine can be equipped with buckets with a total volume of up to 17 cubic meters. The eTerra Attachments Company definitely knows how challenging it is to remove stubborn stumps. That's why they've created modern attachments for mini skid steer loaders specifically for this particular purpose. Introducing the Vortex Stump Grinder. Just take a look at the scale of what this equipment is capable of. It's impressive. Voltec M10 and E10 are fully mechanized drilling rigs for anchor bolt installation, known for their high-quality anchoring and productivity in mining operations. All of this became possible thanks to the implementation of intelligent options in the machines. By the way, both models are equipped with an optional electric transmission with a zero-emission battery, which is also crucial. Wouldn't you agree? Moving on, and now we have a surface bucket ladder dredger in front of us. At first glance, it may seem like a somewhat peculiar machine, but it's designed for very specific purposes, namely for extracting sand and gravel from wet quarries. The depth of excavation with this bucket ladder dredger is about 14 meters. As online commentators say, such machines can create a fantastic and magnificent massacre. And you know what? I can't disagree. Let's move on to the low loader Panther Series 2, designed and manufactured for the mining industry with safety and ease of operation in mind. The overall carrying capacity of this advanced beast is quite substantial. Moreover, it can be customized for specific sets of earth-moving and mining equipment, as well as for particular conditions at the mine. Here it is, the new quarry dump truck from the popular company Dramis International. This powerful beast fully meets the requirements of truck operation conditions, and each of its elements has been designed to ensure the best performance, maximum reliability, and safety. Liebherr truck-mounted concrete pumps with innovative outriggers are incredibly advanced machines. The main feature lies in the presence of 4 swiveling outriggers, which ensures maximum flexibility and a vast range of boom rotation supported by a narrow configuration. This can be crucial when working on construction sites with limited access. Saren's SGC giant cranes are the largest cranes on the planet, built for a world where nothing is impossible. From the record-breaking SGC 250 to the powerful and reliable SGC 90, their equipment takes the world to a new level. Now, the company showcases footage of the production of a new giant that will combine stability, precision, safety, and a new design. Very intriguing indeed. Meet the walking excavator from Siku. You might be amazed by the size of this machine, but believe me, there's nothing particularly surprising here. Thanks to its compact dimensions, the excavator excels in its job on extreme construction sites. So this excavator is truly the best choice for earthworks on steep slopes, in mountains, and on impassable surfaces. The Austrian conglomerate Palfinger is rightly considered the global leader in the production and sale of lifting equipment, particularly truck-mounted cranes. The company also creates top-of-the-line machinery for gentle yet effective snow removal. With such a massive snowplow, automated control, and high-class technology, clearing snow-covered areas will be an absolute pleasure. Mulching in the forest is an efficient and environmentally friendly method of land clearing. With mulchers attached to excavators, tractors, and mini loaders, you can cut, grind, and clear the land, allowing you to swiftly move on to the next stage of your project. Now you don't have to worry about unsightly stumps or scattered debris, as tree and shrubs are mulched by these machines, leaving the ground level and tidy. Stone collecting machines have long become one of the most crucial tools in the global agricultural sector, making rocky lands suitable for cultivation. This stone collector picks up stones from the surface of your field, reaching depths of up to 30 centimeters, while also performing soil cultivation tasks. A convenient device indeed. Another representative of Caterpillar equipment is the Road Vibratory Roller, Model 825C. It can be confidently stated that this machine is low maintenance and can withstand even the most challenging operating conditions. It can be easily configured to specific tasks, ensuring efficient compaction of any type of laid mixture. Watching the next video, you can confidently say, "Now I've seen it all." Yes, indeed, my friends. Before you is a hydraulic brick press machine. This marvel of technology consists of a main machine, a hydraulic unit, an electrical console, a concrete mixer, a concrete dozer, a stacker, a mold, and a transmission system. The intelligent design allows the machine to work smoothly and efficiently. High-power Caterpillar wheel loaders are distinguished primarily by their overall durability, ensuring maximum technical readiness over multiple service intervals. The design of the new 986K model incorporates the best solutions for reliability, performance, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainable development. It's simply a great find. The Hitachi EX8006 is the largest crawler excavator, originally designed for coal mining. Today, the machine is actively used in various mining industries, where moving large volumes of earth is required. The excavator can operate 24/7, and according to the manufacturer's claims, its working lifespan exceeds 90,000 hours. It can be unequivocally stated that this is the best machine in its class in terms of work efficiency and cost per unit of mass of the moved volume. Being a global leader in the market and technology sector, Menzimuk AG has developed and produced the legendary mobile walking excavator. It's suitable for almost any job on steep slopes, in water up to 2.5 meters deep, or in deep mud, mountains, or forests. Moreover, its lifting and tearing force of 9.5 tons far exceeds that of regular excavators, and its productivity is comparable to 20-ton wheeled machinery of the same format. You haven't seen road construction equipment like this before. Believe me. Before you is the outstanding model Next Trencher D250. Essentially, it's a disc trencher mounted on an excavator. It allows for the construction of trenches up to 80 centimeters long and 12 to 25 centimeters wide. And the machine's appearance is quite unique as well. The John Deere 1270G harvester is designed for logging operations on steep slopes and rough terrain. Thanks to the installation of tandem bogies of the rear frame, the ground pressure has been reduced and traction has been increased. This machine consumes significantly less fuel than the previous model while boasting even greater power. I would say it's a real gem, not just a machine. The Caterpillar 6090FS can confidently be called the largest hydraulic excavator ever created by the eponymous company. And you won't be mistaken. This gigantic machine was manufactured to meet the growing demands of people for mining valuable minerals. The excavator represents a mechanical achievement of mankind in the new millennium. And this is undoubtedly true. Introducing the trenching machine by Next Trencher, which is actively used for digging trenches, especially in abrasive and hard rock conditions. With this equipment, Trenches can be excavated from 12 to 150 centimeters in width and up to 5.5 meters in depth. This manufacturer focuses on the combination of strength and quality in their machinery, striving to provide maximum productivity to their customers with each machine they create. This is what the scraper on the Volvo A40F chassis from the popular company Motor Art looks like. Among the main features of the machine, the weight of the unit, which is 40 tons, stands out, as well as an interesting chassis modification, which makes it somewhat unique. Additionally, small additional fragments of metal parts, so to speak, complete the look of the scraper and create a special atmosphere for the model. And this is the most compact crane in the Spearing's product line. Its compact design with a width of only 2.55 meters and a total length of just 13.08 meters means that the truck can easily maneuver. This crane has proven itself well in urban conditions, occupying an area of less than 10 meters. The maximum outrigger base measures are 7,250 by 7,200 millimeters. Definitely impressive specifications. You see a true heavyweight of space, an outstanding piece of equipment designed exclusively for transporting massive radio telescopes. The 130-ton machine, named the Alma Transporter, was created in such a way that it not only boasts enormous size and carrying capacity, but is also incredibly delicate, smooth, and safe. After all, it had to transport astronomically expensive components that could not afford any damage. The versatile Optimus machine provides transportation of pallets up to 1,600 kilograms and effortless, precise, and cost-effective laying of concrete and natural stone elements weighing up to 140 kilograms. All of this is achieved thanks to built-in vacuum hose lifting technology. The main feature is its incredibly quiet autonomous operation for up to 7 hours without recharging. The Caterpillar D11T bulldozer is a true monster, capable of crushing even the most powerful car to pieces. It's all thanks to its 850 horsepower engine that the engineers have bestowed upon it. By the way, the ACER technology allows optimizing the performance of this engine, increasing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions in the atmosphere. Moreover, the modern electronic equipment installed on the model makes the new bulldozer easier to operate.
Greetings, we are glad to have you on our channel. Like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.